Welcome back to Juice Crypto Talks. My name's Xavier. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and follow for more content. Before we get into this video, folks, really important, this is not financial advice, but the sole purpose of this video is to educate and just to get you pointed in the right direction. Now, actually, let's get into this. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys. Currently right now, I do have the chart up on Ethereum. I want to go through Ethereum and BTC right now. We made an analysis a day ago with BTC and Ethereum of potentially where it could potentially go. In the last analysis, we spoke on how we potentially could have a bounce and we could be pushing down towards the downtrend. But we've seen this the last 2 days, especially last 2 days. On the 9th, we've seen that we did have this really nice downtrend on Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. And currently right now, we are looking like we're trading a little bit sideways in this area right here, which is kind of some consolidation. And we could see some consolidation for the next few days in this area. We did test the support 1 and the support 2 line. The support 1 line was at 1,530, and we did break the support 2 line on the 9th, which was yesterday, which was 1,525. We did see after we hit the support 2 line that we did have a nice little bounce. It was just a really quick bounce, and it reversed, and then we had another bounce and reverse, and then we have another bounce. And we're at this pivot point right here. And I do believe that we're still going to be more on a downtrend. I think we're going to be trading sideways for a little bit. We might have another bounce up. And it might be a little bounce up to the resistance 1 line. So we might bounce up to the resistance 1 line. It looks like it's going to be going something like this. And just drawing out these patterns of potentially how the market, we could have an M like pattern like that, and then we could retest close to the resistance 1 line. And if we don't break that resistance 1 line, we could be pushing back down to the support 1, which would bring us back down this way for Ethereum. So looking for Ethereum, this is where, not financial advice, of course, but this is look like how we're going to be playing out for the next few days. We do have this sideways trading. We didn't break that resistance 1 line, so it's going to be interesting to see in the next few days if we do break that line. If we don't break the resistance 1 line, we are going to be moving down towards, like I said, this way, in this direction. We already tested support 1, support 2 line. So what we're looking to see is if we're going to be testing this in this area again. We also see that the trend on this one, the market is especially for the green candles, we're seeing that the bears are still more in control, but there's also some indications that potentially that it could we could have a bounce, a nice little bounce recovery from these candles. We do see that the wicks are a little bit longer, which is a good indication also that we could be moving in a different direction pretty soon. Now, this is very important. I still do believe that we're still of a bearish cycle. So with that being said, not financial advice, we're going to see recoveries, we're going to see bounces, like these. We're going to see another one happen where it could potentially bounce back up to, 1584 or even 1600. It's definitely possible. But like I said, we are going to see reversals. And looking at the Fibonacci also, just to see where the market feels comfortable trading with the Fibonacci. We have the Fibonacci patterns right here. 1,542 is a lot comfortable, where the market feels really comfortable at 15,039. So this is the 2 areas I do believe that we're going to be in for the next couple days in these facilities in these areas. So just pay attention to these areas. If we do break that resistance 1 line, we might have a little push up, but again, I don't think it's going to be a long-term push up to the upside. I still think that we're a push down to the downside. So folks, just keep that in mind. We are still to the downside. Even if we see support come in, it's not going to be enough, I feel like, to continue to push us up. Now, looking at BTC, we're on BTC. We can see BTC also had a nice downtrend. And remember, folks, not financial advice, but the market moves to the rhythm of BTC. So if BTC is on a downtrend, majority of all the rest of the cryptocurrencies are going to be on a downtrend too. Everything follows the rhythm of BTC. Now, after BTC usually is downtrend, we do see altcoins usually do a couple things. We do see money do start to trickle into the altcoins and they start taking off. And another way we start to see the altcoin market take off also is when Bitcoin is going up in value and this explodes, we see that the profits from BTC roll into altcoins specifically and go up too. Now, last week we did have this nice little bounce, and it did make the market go up. We did see a lot of altcoins go up. But because of this little downtrend that we've seen the last two to 3 days, we have seen a lot of the altcoins come down, especially some of the AI projects that were exploding the last 2 days. And primarily it's because, after a nice run, we always see a pullback. And that just means that the market is healthy, folks. If you get a pullback in the market, that's a good thing. We want to have a pullback because it makes sure that the market's healthy, and you need that. So this pullback is great. It just gives us some clear opportunities to also look at some of these altcoins and dollar cost average and take advantage of some of those opportunities. So some of the altcoins that did pull back that I just want to share with you guys real quick. Singular DAO pulled back. It was at $1.04, but it recently pulled back. So this would be a good buy right now. NewNet is another one that pulled back. It was at 10 cents and it pulled back to 7 cents. So make sure you check that out too. And then Singular Net pulled back also. It was at 56 cents and now it's at 42 cents. I do believe that we'll still see a couple more pullbacks from these 3 projects. So for those who are looking at these projects, make sure you dollar cost average, because potentially there could be another pullback for these projects, especially how this is going right now. We looking to see that we are in a period of consolidation, and it does look like it's consolidation in this area. So as you can see, I drew a rectangle in this area. This is showing that this is consolidation. Now, really important, in this rectangle, what we need to see is that support breaks out of this rectangle. If support breaks out of this rectangle, then we'll have some more of a bullish trend. Now, if it continues to break down out of the rectangle, we're going to be moving more towards more of a bearish cycle or bearish trend, and we're going to be retesting the support 1 line again, which is very possible. So the next few days, what we're looking to see if support has enough support to pull out of this, or we're still going to be moving down towards the downtrend. And potentially, like I said, I think we are still moving towards the downtrend. So if we are dollar cost average on the downtrends, so you can take advantage of picking up some more BTC or some more different altcoins that we're going to see. Like I said, we are in the red, so it looks like the market is bleeding. So this would be a good time, like I said, to dollar cost average and pick up on some of these projects. Not financial advice, of course, but make sure you do your own due diligence when you guys do this. And thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We're here to give you guys great content. We're here to show you what's happening in the marketplace with BTC and Ethereum, to keep you guys up to date, because we want to help you have success in the marketplace. We want to help you understand the markets, understand what's going on, so you can actually learn how to day trade if this is something that you guys want to learn. Not only that, we want to also make sure that we give you guys credible projects. We're not looking at meme coins. We're looking at projects that have use cases, utilities that are going to help you guys in the future. So make sure you hit that like Make sure you hit that subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to Juice Crypto Talks, and I'll see you guys soon.